All right, exercise 9 is a little blast from the past here. We're given data from a normal population, and what makes this data interesting is that we're actually given sigma. And so this is actually going all the way back to chapter 7, and we just need to know those formulas. You've got them in your formula sheet. So the bottom line here is the formula in this case is just, it is your x bar plus or minus z star times your sigma over square root of n. And because you know sigma, you can and should use a normal distribution, so I use a z, not a t. That's the one thing that I want to make sure is really clear here. If I'd written this as an s, then you would have to use the t distribution. Maybe I'll actually do that in just a second and kind of show you both, or at least set it out for you. So when you work this out, you're just plugging in. You're going to get 60. Let's not say equals. Let's just put a colon. You're going to get 65 plus or minus the 99% critical value for normal distribution is 2.576, and then you're going to say what your sigma is 3.4 divided by square root of 36 is just 6. So please compute that, and you'll get 65 plus or minus 1.46. So there's your 99% confidence interval. Now let's do, just for the sake of learning, let's go ahead and work this problem out if I had dropped that. So what if I changed it to, I'll actually say, change to x bar is 65, s is 3.4, and n is 36, and then we have the same question. And so what changes, the formula that we're going to use is x bar is plus or minus, that's not right, x bar plus or minus z star times, not z star. The whole point is I want to do x bar plus or minus t star, there we go, times s over square root of n. So when you drop from knowing sigma to not knowing sigma, you actually want to switch to a t distribution, and you got to find that critical value. So we can flip over to our app, and we can look that up. So let's see. Let's go to Iowa t distribution. Iowa t distribution. And we can actually plug it in. So I want central area, so I click the bottom. I want 99% of the situation. I know n is 36, so I'm going to use 35 degrees of freedom. And I run this. And I got to redo that because I changed the degrees of freedom. And I get 2.7238. That's what we'll use. So I get 2.7238. So t star equals 2.7238. Other than that, it's the same problem. I'll write it out. I'm not going to compute anything, but you would say 65 plus or minus 2.7238 times 3.4 over 6 again. And that's all you would have to change. But it's a little thing, but make sure that you're paying attention to the fact that there's a sigma there and not an s there, and that you know what to do given either one of those on the final.